Good morning and welcome back to the Cooler Denim channel. Today I am coming to you with a DIY showing you how I make these custom Chanel ornaments for Christmas, because it is quickly approaching. We have less than 2 months for Christmas and I'm already getting orders for these adorable Chanel ornaments. So I've decided to create a video showing you just how simple and easy they are to make. And really easy. I just take a syringe and I put a little bit of my poly acrylic. Using my poly acrylic. Okay, so you see I'm just kind of rolling it around and letting it get all over, and then I'm just gonna let it drip back into the container. Okay, so that is 4 balls draining, ready to glitter, because that's what we're gonna do to them. We're going to glitter them. So one of them is gonna have the silver glitter in it, and I found a cool little trick for me. It works for me. I don't know if it would work for you, but it does work for me. And you just turn over your nozzle to where there's only a little bitty opening on the large pour outside, just small enough for the opening to actually pour into here. So that's what we're gonna do. I've opened it up small enough to where it pours directly into the lid. And so I put my glitter in. It doesn't take a lot. I think that should be enough. And now I'm just going to roll the glitter around the same way. And actually I was wrong, that was not enough. So we're gonna add some more. Okay, it's okay, there we go. So now there's more glitter in there, and then we're just gonna take that glitter and we're gonna roll that glitter around the same way that we rolled the polyacrylic around, and see how easy that is becoming a glitter ball. And then with the excess glitter, just to save time, I've seen people using all these different things, funnels, paper, or whatever they can use to get their glitter in. But me, I made it very simple. I poured it in the container, poured the excess back in. It's that simple. It's been drained really well, so it's not gonna clunk up. The glitter's still moving. It's not gonna clunk up. So this is one silver glitter ball. And that's how easy it is. Now we're gonna let that dry. So I'm gonna put that over to the side to dry. And then I'm gonna grab my next one and we're gonna do the same thing. This one does not have an opening yet, so I am going to have to make one. And let's see if I can get this thing out of here first. Okay, so I've got the thing open, so I'm gonna twist it on, do the same thing. I'm just gonna have the thing where it's barely open on one side, just like it is now. I'm gonna let that one drain some more because it's draining still. This one I'm gonna let it go because it's still trying to drain as well. There we go. Okay, so So now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the silver with the pink glitter. Pour enough in this time. Okay. Then I'm already going to set that in there. I use a bowl sometimes too to help anchor them because they're balls. And so now I'm just going to start to roll the pink glitter around in the balloon. Same as the other one, all the way till it gets to the end. When it gets close to the end, I'll get the glitter container so that the glitter can fall right back into the container, and I am not wasting any of my glitter, which is most important for me. And voila, we have a pink glitter ornament ready to design. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna try black in here again. And now that we have colored and custom glittered our ornaments, we are going to now add our custom designs to them. I am using permanent vinyl, and I am going to apply different Chanel logos that I've cut and printed with my silhouette machine out previously, and I'm going to apply them to each ornament in various alternating designs that I just come up with my own self. There's no special way I'm putting them on. I'm just making sure that they're all going to be coordinating basically. And to put the vinyl on, the major tip that I've learned is to start in the center, applying your vinyl and smooth it out on the outer sides as you go. So I start smoothing in the middle and then work my way out on the sides, if that makes sense. On the smaller designs, it's a lot easier to do. I notice on the larger designs, it can be a little tricky. And I'll show you that on one of my other designs, because sometimes they don't go on smooth and you have to remove them and start over again. So you can use a scraper. Typically that's what you use, or like a credit card. But me, I have nails on, so my nails are pretty sharp. So I'm using my nails to actually lift up the design to the transfer tape. That's what I'm using to pick up the designs with transfer tape. Sometimes I just freehand pick up the designs And then again, I start in the middle and work my way out to the sides. And then I peel away and kind of work any bubbles that are still present. You want to go ahead and smooth them out from the center outwards. If that makes sense. And there you go. We got a little black poodle. I'm going to do some layering on that poodle a little bit later. This is a Chanel one that I did earlier when I actually picked these letters up individually. And here's a clear one with some pink pearls in the inside. I'm going to put this black cocoa Chanel bag on this clear one. Sometimes the design doesn't pick up all together at once, like right now. And that's okay. You just have to be careful when you put it back together like a puzzle, basically. This one gets really tricky because it's larger and it's in pieces. So I've had a time working with this one on other ornaments. I've had to take it off 4 or 5 times just to get it aligned right. I'm picking up the second half of the design now. There's still one little tiny piece left, and I'll go back and pick that up afterwards. So you just basically want to line it up, and then voila. Right now I'm just working with it, trying to get it in the right place, and as you see, I had to re-lift it up and reapply it because it was not lining up properly.
Why are you late for my son?
It takes a little practice, especially on the bigger pieces, but it's well worth it once you complete the design. I use my instrument that I weed my vinyl with to lift up any vinyl that is in the wrong place. I just lift it up a little bit and then I pull it up with my finger. I don't use the weeder to take the entire piece off because it can damage it. So be careful. Just kind of use it to lift it up if need be. But then use your fingers or tweezers. Tweezers work great. I'm just being lazy today, and I did not feel like getting up to go and get the tweezers, so I am making it do what it do. Get it.
You already know what they are, so what's the surprise?
Almost done with this design.
So you don't want to go to the batting cages. Yeah, I'm hanging out with Ivy. His cousin's day.
This is actually one of my favorite ones. Simple but cute. And if you notice, less is actually more when you're designing. It allows you to actually see the details. And this is the finished look of the poodle when I added the white layering on top of the black, and then I added the CCs. Guys were inspired with some new cool ways to design ornaments for holiday 2020. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.